With due permission of your lordship, can we
Yes.
please commence our valedictory function?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
A very good afternoon to all dignitaries present here. I, Akstalpada,
And I, Deep Solanki.
welcome you all.
Legal aid is fundamental to giving everybody in his country access to justice, and with this objective, Anand Law College and Anand College of Legal Studies conducted this 10 days online capacity building program on legal aid and affiliated laws in association with Pro Bono India and Law Teachers India.
And after the successful completion of this program, we are concluding this program with a valedictory function.
No function can begin without the blessing of Almighty. एक
I,
खूबसूरत दिन की खूबसूरत शुरुआत करते हैं। सभी गुरुजन को हम प्रणाम करते हैं। प्रार्थना कर नई ऊर्जा का संचार करते हैं। आओ हाथ जोड़कर आंखें बंद कर भगवान को धन्यवाद देते हैं।
I request Mr. Kamal Parekh sir to play prayer.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा।
जो कुंद चंद्र या बर्फ की माला के समान सफेद रंग की है, जिसके हाथ वीणा के सुंदर दंड से सुशोभित है, जो सफेद कमल पर बैठी है, ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश आदि देव हमेशा जिसकी स्तुति करते हैं, सारे अज्ञान और जड़ता का जो नाश करने वाली है, वही देवी सरस्वती मेरी रक्षा करे।
So now moving further, I request one and all present here to please rise up in honor of our SRKSM song.
श्री राम कृष्ण सेवा मंडल, श्री राम कृष्ण सेवा मंडल, श्री राम कृष्ण सेवा मंडल, श्री राम कृष्ण सेवा मंडल। श्री राम कृष्ण ने संत विवेकानंद ने विचारधारा, श्री राम कृष्ण ने संत विवेकानंद ने विचारधारा, उठ जाग अनेक ध्येय प्राप्त संकल्प कड़ी यश गाथा, संकल्प कड़ी यश गाथा, कर्मवीर सरदार अनेक लक्ष्य वाभयदाता, बहुजन हिताय बहुजन सुखाय मंत्र कणा जप था, बहुजन हिताय बहुजन सुखाय मंत्र कणा जप था, सर्व दूर समुखियो कमल, श्री राम कृष्ण सेवा मंडल, श्री राम कृष्ण सेवा मंडल, श्री राम कृष्ण सेवा मंडल। आनंदनीय स्मिताना जा तेज पुंज जड़ हरता जा तेज पुंज जड़ हरता देव किल संग बिना स्नेह समाजा झरना सदा खड़खड़ता झरना सदा खड़खड़ता मन वचन कर्म ने पवित्र करता ज्ञान बोध दिव भरता वी सब रसता ना धर्म तराजा पाठ समूह गण गणता वी सब रसता ना धर्म तराजा पाठ समूह गण गणता इव सर्व गुण सब कियो कमल श्री राम कृष्ण सेवा मंडल श्री राम कृष्ण सेवा मंडल श्री राम कृष्ण सेवा मंडल शिक्षण संग संस्कार स्वास्थ्य ना पाठ छात्र नित गाता जा पाठ छात्र नित गाता विज्ञान ज्योतना अजवाड़े अंतर मीर दुर खाता अंतर मीर दुर खाता जा दृष्टिवंत सारस्वत संग नित क्षेत्र नवासन खाता विदेश राज की उन्नत मस्तक गौरव भर हर खाता विदेश राज की उन्नत मस्तक गौरव भर हर खाता इव सर्व गुण समुखियो कमल श्री राम कृष्ण सेवा मंडल 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 श्री राम कृष्ण सेवा मंडल
थैंक यू एवरीवन। अतिथि देवो भव कहती है भारत की धरा, स्वागत करके आपका निभा रहे हैं हम परंपरा।
Now I request Dr. Amit Kumar I. Parmar sir, Principal of Anand Law College, for introducing and welcoming our today's guest.
Namaskar. Very good afternoon to all of you. I am delighted to welcome all of you present over here to the valedictory session of 1 week capacity building program organized by Anand Law College and Anand College of Legal Studies, managed by Sri Ramakrishna Seva Mandal in association with the Pro Bono India and Law Teachers India. It is special moment for all of us to meet here. First of all, I would like to give warm welcome to our today's chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Rajesh Tandon sir. And also I would like to introduce our chief guest today present here. Justice Rajesh Tandon sir is a senior advocate, Supreme Court of India, and a former judge, Uttarakhand High Court. He has served as a former chairperson, Cyber Appellate Tribunal, Government of India. He served as a chairperson, vice chairman, as well as a member and returning officer of various prestigious institutions as well as sport federation. Currently, he is also working as the chairman of Justice Rajesh Tandon Arbitration and Conciliation Center, as well as Honorably Chief Commissioner, Sainik Seva Council. Sir was enrolled as an advocate in the year 1968. He was designated as a senior advocate in April 2000 at the Allahabad High Court. He was appointed as additional advocate general of Uttarakhand after bifurcation of state of UP in September 2002. He was appointed as a judge of Uttarakhand High Court in July 2003 by the President. During the period of judgeship of the High Court, Sir used to dispose of 40 to 50 cases per day regarding service matter. He served at the top positions at various educational institutions and judicial institutions. He has been recognized with many national and international awards by prestigious educational institutions. Sir has also been awarded with PhD degree from the Open International University for Complementary Medicine, Mumbai in 2015. In July 2016, Sir joined the Supreme Court Bar as a senior advocate. He was appointed as a chairman of State Law Commission Uttarakhand in 2017 and 2018. He has authorized and published around 12 books, including various cases, materials, as well as guidelines. He has delivered judgments concerning various types of acts like cyber law, human rights issues, IPRs, narcotic drugs, and psychotropic substance acts, and many others. He has conducted arbitration in more than 30 matters referred by various high courts. He was also appointed as an arbitrator in panel of more than 15 national organizational and firms like ONGC, Indian Railway, etc., as well as a Singapore-based international arbitration panel. He has delivered more than 180 lectures and participated as a guest speaker, chief guest, guest of honors, and judge at various seminars, webinars, and workshops and competition. He is recognized many times for his honorary work in various fields and legal institutions as a chairperson, chairman, or member of team. It is very difficult to introduce him entirely. Once again, a very warm welcome from my heart to really an intellectual personality on behalf of all the organizing institution. Sir, welcome on behalf of our both the institution as well as Sri Ramakrishna Seva Mandal. Welcome, sir. I would like to heartily welcome Dr. Kalpesh Kumar Gupta, founder Pro Bono India. Thank you, sir, so being present here with us today. Sir, welcome on behalf of our both the institution. I would like to acknowledge the support and warm wishes sent by our president of Sri Ramakrishna Seva Mandal, Sri Hemant J. Patel, sir, and Honorable Secretary of Srimati Josnaben Patel, madam. They are not present right now, but their encouragement and wishes have always been precious for us. I would like to welcome to Dr. Rekha Kumari Singh, in charge Dean of Sardar Patel University, in charge Principal of Anand College of Legal Study on the special occasion. I would like to warm welcome all the expert speakers, contributors, and faculty members who have created a great value for this program. I would like to welcome the teaching and non-teaching staff members present who are here. Finally, I welcome all the participants who have completed the programs with active involvement. Once again, a very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
May I proceed?
Ji, sir.
Okay, thank you. On the dais, Srimati Rekha Singh ji, Dean Faculty of Law, Mr. Parashar Amit Kumar ji, Vice Chancellor of the Parul University, Chancellor and all that. I feel privileged in coming again and again in the Parul University. When I have taken my computer, I have seen that on 4th of January 2023, Parul University has invited me to speak on the arbitration law and human rights. That's a connectivity of arbitration and human rights. And now I feel again it's my privilege to come before you on the valedictory address. First of all, I have seen that Saraswati Bandana, Ram Kishan Arya, Ram Kishan prayer and all that. Therefore, I will also have the prayer of Ganesha. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surkot Samprabham Nirvign Pur Me Dev Sarv Karyeshu Sarvada. Means everything should be followed, and from the act of God, everything should continue and proceed as well as a perfect. Everything should be perfect by the words of Ganesha. Now, I have seen the controversy which was debated throughout the academic sections of the Parul University, and the valedictory therefore has confined to legal aid. Now, legal aid is coming from the constitutional obligation, that is part that's part 4 of the constitution, that is under the directive principles of the state policy. Article 39A provides equal justice and free legal aid. The state shall secure that the operation of the legal system promotes justice on a basis of equal opportunity, and shall in particular provide free legal aid by suitable legislation or schemes or in any other way to ensure that opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any citizen by reason of economic or other disabilities. Now, if I see part 4, of course, it is under the directive principles of the state policy. But looking to the averments of Article 39A are not denied to any citizen by reason of economic or other disabilities. That citizen shall not be denied on account of being poverty or anything, that is economic disabilities or anything. Therefore, the crux of the matter is that although it is a directive principles of the state policy, but it is a fundamental right to get legal aid. Now, because of the fact that it ensures the opportunities for securing justice, that is, it is being borrowed from Article 21. To secure justice is from Article 21 of the Constitution of India and Section 2D of the Protection of Human Rights Act. If we look to the definition of Section 2D of the Protection of Human Rights Act, human rights means rights relating to life, liberty, equality, and dignity of the individual guaranteed by the Constitution. Therefore, life is what is life? Life is contained under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Therefore, life is not confined only to directive principles of the state policy, but life is a fundamental right, that is Article 21, read with Section 2D of the Protection of Human Rights Act. And that is guaranteed by the Constitution and embodied in the international covenants. International covenants have also been defined under Section 2F that is means the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, and the International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights. Now, economic rights are confined to Article 21, and even Article 39A uses the word, that is, are not denied to any citizen by reasons of economic or other disabilities. Therefore, by reason of economic disabilities, no one shall be deprived of the legal aid, that is Article 39A of the Constitution of India. Therefore, don't take it as a directive principles of state policy, but take it as a guaranteed fundamental right. If you look to the old case, that is the judgment of Uni Krishnan, that is a very important judgment of the Supreme Court, that is 1993 volume 1 Supreme Court cases. And it has been emphasized in the case of Uni Krishnan, that is Article 21 is a fundamental right conferred under Part 3 of the Constitution, whereas Article 39A is one of the directive principles of the state policy under Part 4 of the Constitution of India. Then the Supreme Court has further said, as held by the Constitution bench of this court in Chandra Bhavan Boarding and Lodging, Bangalore, while rights conferred under Part 3 are fundamental rights, the directives given under Part 4 are fundamentals in the governance of the country. We see no conflict on the whole between the provisions contained under Part 3 and Part 4. They are complementary and supplementary to each other. Therefore, the Supreme Court has defined Part 4 directive principles also as paramateria with Part 3, that is fundamental rights. The Supreme Court has further said, in the case of the same Uni Krishnan case, it is thus well established by the decisions of this court that the provisions of Part 3 and Part 4 are supplementary and complementary to each other, and that fundamental rights are but a means to achieve the goal indicated in Part 4. It is also held that the fundamental rights must be construed in the light of the directive principles. Therefore, one cannot say that Article 39A is not a fundamental right. It is directive principles of the state policy, but it's a complementary and supplementary to Part 3, that is Article 21 of the Constitution of India. A man gets right to get legal aid by virtue of Article 21. It's a fundamental right. Now, in the case of one of the judgment, state of Maharashtra, that is decided in 1995, the Supreme Court has further said the right to legal aid and speedy trial are part of the guarantee of human rights. That is, I have read before you section 2D, that is the definition of the human rights, that is akin to life and liberty. Life is borrowed from Article 21, and therefore it is akin to fundamental rights. Legal aid and speedy trial are part of the guarantee of human rights envisaged by Article 21 of the Constitution. In the light of the above, we have to consider the combined effect of Article 21 and Article 39A of the Constitution. Right to free legal aid and speedy trial are guaranteed fundamental rights under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. The preamble to the Constitution of India assures justice, social, economic, and political. Article 39A of the Constitution provides equal justice and free legal aid. The state shall secure that the operation of the legal system promotes justice. That is the principles enshrined in the case of the state of Maharashtra. That is the principles of state policy, that is legal aid is directive principles of the state policy, is a complementary to Article 21 and supplementary to Article 21, and it is the duty of the state to provide free legal aid. Now the difficulty arises when I was a judge of the Human Rights Commission. I entertained so many applications where it has been said by the women, by persons who have no adequate means of livelihood, give me some legal aid. Then I used to refer the matter to the district judge at the district level, to the registrar high court at the high court level, because legal aid committees have been formed as a Legal Services Authorities Act, that is the state level, high court level, and district level. Therefore, district judge is the in charge of the district level, high court is the in charge at the high court level, and therefore this is a guideline for those who are hearing myself, that whenever such matter arises regarding the free legal aid to the citizens or to the person who cannot afford to have legal aid, then litigation charges are so exemplary that one has to go for legal aid, and therefore in the district, state level, and Supreme Court higher level, all these authorities are there, and one can represent to the district authorities, state authorities, or Honorable Supreme Court under the Legal Services Authorities Act. Now, the Legal Services Authorities Act have been formed by the Honorable Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court has also given guidelines from time to time. Article 39A is paramaterial with Article 21 of the Constitution, and therefore I don't know what the speakers have said regarding Article 39A and about this, but I can say that in the closing judgment of the state of Maharashtra, the Supreme Court has said these aspects necessarily flowing from Article 21 and 39A of the Constitution were totally lost sight of the government when it denied that the grant in aid to the recognized private law colleges as well as afforded to other faculties. We would add that the state has adequate duty to enjoined on it by the relevant provisions of the Constitution aforesaid. In this perspective, we hold that Article 21, read with Article 39A of the Constitution, mandates or costs a duty on the state to afford grant in aid to recognized private law colleges, similar to other facilities, which qualify for the receipt of the grant. The aforesaid duty cast on the state cannot be withheld down in any manner. Article 21, read with Article 21, arise for consideration on any previous occasions, even in the recent Constitution bench decided reported in Uni Kushner's case. Article 21 read with Article 41, 45, and 46. Scope of Article 21 in the light of Article 39A has been discussed, and both are at pari materia with each other. Therefore, my suggestion is to the students that they should read the Legal Services Authorities Act. This, in connection with Article 39A of the Constitution, he should read the judgment of the state of Maharashtra for better knowledge, and also read the judgment of Kapila Hingorani, which is a judgment of the Supreme Court, that is of 2003, where these aspects of Universal Declaration of Human Rights and Section 2D has been discussed in that judgment, where the provisions of the human rights have also been explained. What the Supreme Court has said: does the right to food require a moral revolution? Would the right to food, what does the right to food means? Can the existence of right causes laziness people? The right to food is about respecting, protecting, and fulfilling access to food. Is hunger a violation of human rights? What is hunger? Hunger is also flowing from Article 21 of the Constitution of India. In the same judgment, that is Kapila Hingorani's judgment, Supreme Court has emphasized some important judgments of the Supreme Court, where right to free legal aid has been discussed. State of Maharashtra versus MP West. All these things are guidelines for the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court has from time to time has emphasized what is human rights, what is liberty, and what are the ingredients of Article 39A, which is equal to Article 21 of the Constitution of India. And therefore, I will just conclude that everything depends upon the Almighty. If you wish and you pranam to the Almighty, and regular yoga, ashram, mediation, and all these things will become easy. And Swami Vivekananda has said once, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. You can do anything and everything without even the guidance of anyone. Stand up and express the divinity within you. And therefore, I will just suggest to the organizers and all that what Sarpalli Radhakishan has said, the main function of a university is not to grant degrees and diplomas, but to develop university spirit and advanced learning. This is the advanced learning of human rights. This is the advanced learning of Article 21 and advanced learning of legal aid, how to save the persons who have no capacity to fight out the litigation. All these things are there. Thank you very much to the organizers. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words. We are really feeling blessed, sir, to hear you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for imparting knowledge with us. Now, I request Dr. Kalpesh Kumar Gupta, sir, to present the brief report of this 10 days online capacity building program on legal aid and affiliated laws.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, Deep. Respected Justice Rajesh Tandon, sir, Srimati Josabel Patel, Sri Hemant Bhai Patel, sir, my colleagues, friend Dr. Rekha Kumari Singh, Amish, sir, faculty members, and all the participants. So, first, I would like to thank Rajesh, sir, for enlightening, right, and in connecting the right to legal aid with human rights and constitution. Obviously, we have to connect with this legal aid. There are various laws are there, and this kind of provisions are there. We have to connect this rights with other laws, rules, regulation, and provision. You rightly stated, sir. So regarding to this course, sir, like as I told in the beginning in inauguration program, so sorry, at Pro Bono India, we started a certificate online certificate course on legal aid and allied laws 3 years back, and there were around different 5 modules over there, starting from basics of the legal system, right to information, consumer protection, human rights, rights of the victim, public interest litigation. So these were the topics were there around, and then three editions like. There were around 4,200 plus participants. They registered all over the India, and then there were student participants from 17 years to 60 plus. So we got very good response all over the India in last three editions. And I floated this idea recently. One of my friend from is a lawyer at Bangalore. So he conducted this online course, the brief sessions on legal aid and allied laws in Kannada. So that was a thing. And then I floated this idea in our Gujarat Law Teachers group. And I'm thankful to Anand Law College, Dr. Rekha Kumari Singh, and Amit sir to pick up that opportunity and conduct this online course. And we got very good response from the as faculty members and the judges. They were resource person in this program. And looking at the responses, like we actually, it was planned for 1 week, but looking at the response and enthusiasm from participants, so we increased, and it we uh, conducted this course for the 10 days. It entered into second week also, because there's a request from participants. So we covered like topics: Constitution of India, legal aid, rights, fundamental duties, consumer complaints, and then complaints before various authorities, government departments, forums, legal service authority, again discussed by senior civil judge and the secretary member, legal service authority, Sexter, and our friend from Telelaw, that initiative by Department of Justice. He talked about Telelaw and Nyamandhu schemes. Dr. Chintan Parkar talked about the cyber crime, cyber law. Dr. Hardik Parikh talked about public interest litigations and how to file various authorities. I discussed about the Right to Information Act. Dr. Ramani talked about rights of the person with disability, and RN6 talked about the fundamental rights, duties, brief of Constitution of India, various important provisions connected to legal aid and various other aspects also. And Dr. Rekha Kumar Singh talked about the rights of the women, children, senior citizens, and family laws. So this was like there are we run this course for 10 days, spanning for more than 15 hours, and there were 10 resource persons were there. I'm really thankful to like team member from Anand College, Anand Law College, and Anand College of Legal Study. They did wonderful job in running this course efficiently and flawless manner. So I should compliment on that aspect. And then the participants, we can see participants, students, faculty member, advocates, they participated in this program, and the discussion is very fruitful. Obviously, like we thought we should go for more than this hours. But again, looking at the timing issues, right? It's very difficult to like every day sitting at least couple of hours, right? Everybody is busy, so we thought let us expand to 10 days, and we conducted this course, and we floated the feedback form. Then it's really encouraging. Hopefully we'll be conducting this program not maybe after 6 7 months. We should go for maybe looking at the responses and other aspects. uh, and let me tell you, I'm happy to tell you, like recently I looking from the one of the law college from Goa. The principal, they contacted me, and then sir, we initiate program in Konkani language in Goa. So obviously I won't be speaking, but I suggested we did like in Kannada, now in Gujarati. The first time in this kind of program happened in Gujarat. So I suggest this kind of program should be there in other states also. And then obviously now the vacations is going on in that Goa Law College, Kare Law College. So obviously in future we can see this kind of programs all over the India. So thank you very much, Rajesh sir, and all the faculty members, participants, for sharing a valuable time at this afternoon. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to Dr. Rekha Kumari Singh, ma'am, in charge Dean Faculty of Law, Sardar Patel University, and in charge Principal, Anand College of Legal Studies, to present the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much, Deep. Today we all are gathered here the validity function on training on legal aid pro bono India and law teacher in association of India, that is by Anand Law College and College of Legal Study, which is conducted by Shri Ramakrishna Seva Mandal, and that is 1 week online capacity building program organized from 5th June 2023 to 15th June 2023. And it is like honored to speak that it is really a great success. So, as a part of which, I, Dr. Rekha Singh, express my deep gratitude to Shri Ramakrishna Seva Mandal, our both Institute and Law College, Anand College of Legal Studies, Pro Bono India, and Law Teachers India. Special thanks to our special guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Rajesh Tandon sir. Sir is also Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India, former Judge, High Court of Uttarakhand. Sir has been invited as expert speaker and a chief guest in this program. And today, that is on 20th 6, 2023, to make successful program by providing us the detailed information on the subject. Sir has rightly like shared with important provision of constitution, especially the Article 21, then directive principle state policy, how it is a complement and supplement to each other. Sir has also highlighted the important judgment, like one is Kapila Hingurani, then State of Maharashtra, Delhi Service Authority Act, and lastly, that is Section 2D of Human Rights Act, Article 39A. So, sir has interconnected and connected dot that how the dimension of legal aid has actually emerged and how much it is important. Sir, we are really grateful for like your valuable time, and especially very short like in span of time, sir has accepted our invitation. And sir, really we are grateful, and I really express heartfelt thank from both the organization as well as Pro Bono India and Law Teachers. And we sir look forward in our future like programs also, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time, for your valuable knowledge, and it is really matter of pride for us, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Apart from that, I also like to express our other like mm, our श्री रामकृष्ण सेवा मंडल के अध्यक्ष श्री हेमंत भाई जी पटेल साहब, माननीय सचिव मानव मंत्री श्रीमती ज्योत्सना बहन पटेल, मैं हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ जिन्होंने इस कार्यक्रम में सफल बनाने के लिए बहुमूल्य मार्गदर्शन और बहुमूल्य अनुभव प्रदान किया है। दोनों दैट इज प्रो बोनो इंडिया एंड लॉ टीचर्स इंडिया की तरफ से भी मैं हमारे मैडम श्री एंड सर श्री को मैं धन्यवाद याचन करना चाहूंगी। मैं अपनी संस्था के इस कार्य से जुड़े हुए डॉक्टर कल्पेश कुमार गुप्ता सर का मैं स्पेशल धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि मुझे याद है कि सर ने व्हाट्सएप पे जब हमारा जो लॉ टीचर्स का ग्रुप है गुजरात लॉ टीचर्स का, उसमें सर ने ये थॉट आया और सर ने शेयर किया, एंड ये जो अपॉर्चुनिटी थी दैट वी आर फॉर्चुनेट टू ग्रैब दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। सो थैंक यू सो मच कल्पेश सर कि हमेशा इनोवेटिव वे में और ऑन ग्राउंड वर्क करने के लिए, वेदर इट इज नॉलेज, वेदर इट इज लीगल स्टार्टअप, वेदर इट इज लाइक स्टूडेंट्स को इनिशियल लेवल पे जो हमें सपोर्ट, गाइडेंस और नॉलेज जो देना चाहिए, उसके लिए यू आर ऑलवेज देयर लाइक इन गुजरात. So we are really thankful, sir, for giving us this opportunity to our organization, as well as guiding us and providing us all the support from the first day to till now. So we are really grateful, and we look forward, sir, कि हम ऐसे 6-7 महीने के बाद, जो आपने सही कहा कि वापस इट शुड बी रिफ्रेशिंग, वापस हम उसको कनेक्ट करें और वापस हमारे जो यूथ हैं उसको हम इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस बताकर जो समाज को अपलिफ्ट करने के लिए हम उसमें योगदान कर सके. सो थैंक यू सो मच सर फ्रॉम आवर बोथ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. अब मैं अपनी संस्था के प्राचार्य डॉक्टर अमित कुमार परमार सर का भी हार्दिक धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी, जिन्होंने कानून के क्षेत्र में छात्रों के भविष्य, कैरियर एंड विकास के लिए पर ध्यान में रखते हुए कॉलेज के अलग अलग मतलब कह सकते हैं हम लोग ट्रेनिंग है, एक्टिविटी है और सेमिनार्स है, उसके लिए हमेशा सर गाइड करते रहते हैं, प्रोत्साहन करते रहते हैं. सो आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू डॉक्टर अमित कुमार परमार सर, इस प्रोग्राम में जिन्होंने दिन रात मैं कह सकती हूँ जो मेहनत की है, जिसमें मिस स्वरा आनंद एंड मिस विश्वा त्रिवेदी, जिन्होंने इस प्रोग्राम को बनाने के लिए खूब सारा मेहनत, एफर्ट्स, कोऑर्डिनेट करना, इंटरनेट को मतलब ऑनलाइन, बिकॉज ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे हो रहा करना। सो उन दोनों का मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा। रूट पे जो काम जो कर रहे हैं उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत ही बड़ा होता है। सो आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू मिस सुरानंद एंड मिस विश्वा त्रिवेदी। थैंक यू सो मच बोथ ऑफ यू। उसके साथ साथ मैं दो खास स्टूडेंट्स हमारे जो कि इतने दिनों 10 दिनों में जो कि शाम को स्पेशली 9 9 साढ़े 9 9 बजे तक वो लोग घर पे जाते थे। हमारे दो स्टूडेंट जो एंकरिंग करते थे, जिनका की नाम है अक्ष कल्पा एंड दीप सोलंकी। मैं दिल से दोनों को बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी कि उन्होंने भी एकदम शिद्दत से, मेहनत से और हर एक दिन एक नई नई रोशनी के साथ और मेहनत से के साथ काम करते थे। सो मैं दोनों का बहुत तहे दिल से थैंक यू करना चाहूंगी। और हमारे जितने भी शैक्षणिक टीचिंग एंड नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ हैं जिन्होंने इसमें डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली इसमें बहुत मेहनत की है, सपोर्ट दिया है। और यस, टेक्निकल स्टाफ स्पेशली बिकॉज ये ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म था, इसको यूट्यूब पे रिकॉर्ड करना या फिर क्या बोलते हैं इसको रिकॉर्ड करके उसके लिंक जनरेट करना, तो जितना भी सपोर्ट टेक्निकल सपोर्ट था, जिसपे स्पेशल थैंक्स मैं कमल पारिक सर को, कमल पारिक भाई को एंड आकाश पटेल भाई को एंड वेदांत व्यास को मैं देना चाहूंगी। पूरे परिवार की तरफ से हृदय पूर्वक आभार व्यक्त करना चाहूंगी। लास्टली इस प्रोग्राम में जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिसको हम कहते हैं पिलर ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम, मैं उन सभी स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया, लर्निंग की, डेडिकेशन के साथ इसको पूरे 10 दिन में डेडिकेशन इसके साथ अटेंड किया, सीखा। और मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी कि अब आप अपने क्या बोलते हैं जीवन में अब उसको आप इम्प्लीमेंट करें, जितना हो सके प्रैक्टिकल काम करें, बिकॉज अंत में नॉलेज विल मेक अ डिफरेंस व्हेन वी आर डूइंग एक्शंस, and that's why we say actions are louder than action should be louder than words. So I congratulate all the students, those who have participated, they have learned, and most important that they have given test also, so that it's not only the listening the law, but they have interpreted, they have learned the practical knowledge. So I congratulate each one of you, those who have participated and got successfully the certificate of this program. And once again thank you each one. अगर मैं किसी का भी नाम मैं भूल रही हूँ तो मैं सभी को हृदय से थैंक यू करना चाहूंगी, who has contributed directly or indirectly to make this event grand success. Thank you. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Now, I request everyone to please rise up for national anthem played by Mr. Kamal Parekh sir.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you, everyone. It is my humble request to all the participants to remain in the session until the guest leaves.
દીપ આપણે ઓરલ ફીડબેક લેવાના છે. દીપ, anybody would
Yes,
like
sir.
to say something? Feedback.
Yes, sir.
દીપ,
Yes, sir. Yes.
હા આપણે
Now,
ફીડબેક બોલવું હોય તો ઓરલ ફીડબેક 5-10 મિનિટ ખાલી આપણે.
yes. Now I would request participants to share their experience and feedback of this program with us.
Participant, you can unmute and share your experience, feedback with us. We'll close after 10 minutes. Yes, please.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, sir, madam, principal, ma'am. Myself is Gayatri Jat. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are
Hello.
audible.
Okay. I would like to say personally, thank you so much to each and everyone, organizer, principals, and Swara ma'am, and other faculties, and students also, because this kind of program, it's a really very fruitful program for each and everyone. और आगे भी ऐसे प्रोग्राम आप होते रहे और हमें ऐसा इसका एडवांटेज और बेनिफिट मिले, ये मुझे बहुत बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है ये बात बोलते हुए कि ऐसे बहुत कम कॉलेजेस में होते हैं. मैं जब ऑब्जर्व करती हूँ तो कि ऐसे फ्रूटफुल प्रोग्राम और वर्कशॉप बहुत कम होते हैं, और खास करके गुजरात में यदि होते हैं तो इट विल बी वेरी नाइस, और हम ऐसे आगे भी करते रहें. मैम रेखा मैम, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी, और हमें भी, हम लोगों ने तो 4th सेम कर लिया पास, लेकिन स्टिल आई वुड लाइक टू ज्वाइन जब भी आप करते हैं तो, because we are learner till lifelong as we are advocates, so that's why. Yeah, thank you so much. It was really great experience, and it was really great outcome for our life long experience and to learning in our life, in especially in law and legal field. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Gayatri. Thank you so much, Gayatri. Thank you so much.
Yes, Rupen, Yogita.
હેલો.
Yes, please. Over to you.
જી સર, આપનો આ પ્રોગ્રામ એટલો સરસ છે કે એમ થાય કે એના વખાણ કેટલા કરું એટલા ઓછા. હું રેગ્યુલર આણંદ કોલેજ ઓફ લીગલ સ્ટડી 3rd યરની સ્ટુડન્ટ છું, અને પાછી હું હાઉસવાઈફ પણ છું. એટલે પહેલાં મને એમ થતું હતું કે 7 વાગ્યાનો ટાઈમ છે, પણ રસોઈ કરતાં કરતાં બધા લેક્ચરને અટેન્ડ કર્યા છે, અને મને ખરેખર એટલી મજા આવી છે. અને આ અનુભવ એટલો સારો રહ્યો કે પાછું બીજી વાર જ્યારે તમે ગોઠવશો એટલે પાછું જોઈન કરશું અમે. થેન્ક યુ બધાને.
Yes, Rupen Patel, Hiren Verma. Please unmute yourself. Hiren, unmute.
Oh, sorry. Uh, Thank you so much, all team members, specifically Rekha ma'am, and all lecturers કે જેમને જે રીતે બધા સબ્જેક્ટોમાં બહુ જ ડેપ્થમાં નોલેજ આપ્યું, એ નોલેજ બદલ, અને એનો જે ટાઈમિંગ રાખ્યું હતું કે 7 વાગ્યા પછી, તો કોર્ટના ટાઈમમાંથી અમે પછીના ટાઈમમાં પણ અમે અટેન્ડ કરી શકીએ. આજના લેક્ચરમાં હું થોડું લેટ જોઈન થઈ શક્યો હતો કારણ કે અમારે હાઈકોર્ટમાં મેટર્સ હતી. So all team members and especially principal ma'am and all administrative team, all lecturers, I am very heartily thankful for great knowledge and great. I feel very good experience, and I have no word to cheer for this kind of program. It is a lifetime memorable program for me. Thank you so much again. Thank you.
Okay, Rupen Patel. Any other participants? Rupen Patel, you raise your hand. ઓકે, બિનલ મેડમ, દીપાલી મેડમ, તમારે કંઈ કહેવું છે એઝ અ રિસોર્સ પર્સન અને પાર્ટિસિપન્ટ?
હલો સર, ગુડ આફ્ટરનૂન. હું સુરાણી ગીતા LLM 4th સેમ
કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ ગયું ને હું કચ્છથી છું અને તમારા બધા લેક્ચર અટેન્ડ કરતા હતા એમાં 15 તારીખ પછી અમુક નેટવર્કના પ્રોબ્લેમના લીધે અટેન્ડ નથી થયા પણ જેટલા અટેન્ડ કરે એટલા ખૂબ સારા હતા અને મજા આવીને ઘણું બધું અમને એમાં નોલેજ મળ્યું ને જાણવા પણ મળ્યું એલએલએમ પછી એલએલબી ને એલએલએમ સ્ટડી કર્યા પછી પણ આ સેમિનારમાં જે પ્રેક્ટિકલી જે જાણવા મળ્યું છે એ ખૂબ જ સારું હતું અને 15 તારીખ પછીના અમુક તમારા સેશન ને એક્ઝામ ને બધું અટેન્ડ અમે નથી કરી શક્યા કેમ કે કચ્છમાં વાવાઝોડાના કારણે નેટવર્ક પ્રોબ્લેમ બહુ હતો ક્યારેક લાઇટ હજી અઠવાડિયાથી લાઇટ તો હજી નથી જ આવી અમુક વાર આવે ને જાય છે એવો પ્રોબ્લેમ છે પણ છતાં તમારા લેક્ચર અટેન્ડ કરવામાં અમને કહેવાય ને કે ખૂબ જ સારું લાગ્યું ને સારું એવું નોલેજ મળ્યું ને થેન્ક યુ અને હજી પણ આવા પ્રોગ્રામ થાય તો અમને જોઈન કરતા રહેજો અને થેન્ક યુ રેખા મેમ થેન્ક યુ ઓલ.
Yes, please. Unnati, please raise your hand. We will wind up in 5 minutes. Unnati, over to you. Unnati and then Sneha.
Hello, good afternoon. Sir, I am pursuing BBLLB from Anand Law College. It was great informative session. All the practical aspects were covered and complete information about RTI, cybercrime, etc. It was very informative and useful. Hope that such sessions would be Hello, sir. I am audible.
Yes, Sneha.
Hope that such sessions will be arranged in future also. Thank you so much, sir. You are a great inspiration. Kalpesh Kumar Gupta, sir, you are a great inspiration for all of us for spreading legal awareness and doing something for society. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sneha. Anyone else? Unnati?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
સર મને તમારા બધા સેશન બહુ જ ગમ્યા મારાથી બે એક સેશન છૂટી ગયા હતા પણ દરેક સેશન જે મેં એટેન્ડ કર્યા છે એમાં મને બહુ જ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન મળી અને બહુ જ સારું લાગ્યું એટલે હું રિક્વેસ્ટ કરીશ રેખા મેમને કે ફરી જ્યારે પણ તમે આ રીતના સેશન રાખો ને તો પ્લીઝ અમને અંદર જોઈન કરજો જેનાથી અમને બહુ જ માહિતી મળે ને અમારી લાઈફમાં અમને બહુ જ યુઝફુલ મતલબ કે નીવડે હું એલએલએમ ના થર્ડ સેમમાં છું હું આણંદ જ કોલેજ કરું છું સર થેન્ક યુ.
Okay, thank you very much. Anjana? Anjana Waghela.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
over
Good
to you.
afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for the wonderful session. एक्चुअली एज ए एडवोकेट हमें कितना नॉलेज होना चाहिए ये सारा इस सेशन में पता चल गया सो फॉर थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Okay, thank you very much. Any other last feedback you want to say something? Yeah. Binal madam?
Sorry, sir. I have drive a car, so I am not to
Okay,
give
okay,
my.
no problem. Are please, sorry, sir.
Okay, okay, sir.
ગુડ આફ્ટરનૂન સર આ
Yes,
સેશનમાં બહુ બધું જાણવા મળ્યું અને એ બદલ થેન્ક યુ સર.
Thank you very much, all of you. Deep, over to you.
थैंक यू डियर पार्टिसिपेंट्स. आपका दिन मंगलमय हो. इन सब शुभकामनाओं के साथ आज का सेशन यहाँ समाप्त करते हुए मैं आप सबका धन्यवाद करता हूँ. Now you can all leave the session.